Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download GTA Vice City in PC or on your laptop. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google Steam. So let me open the Steam first, and you need to open the first website. Okay, so once you are here, you simply need to search for GTA Vice City, and you need to hit enter. Let me search Vice City directly so we can get the game easily. Okay, and here you need to click on GTA Vice City. That is the definitive edition. And here you can get the option. So now you can see that you are now getting 50% discount special promotion offer and to 10th October. You simply need to click on add to cart, and here you need to click on purchase for myself, and here you need to sign in into the Steam and enter your card detail and purchase game for your PC or for your laptop. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.